Hello everyone, Paul Huber here for Nissan of Cool Springs. Thanks so much for dropping by to check out our video today. I would like to welcome all of our crossover and SUV shoppers today. We hope that you find this video is helpful in the search for your next vehicle. Today we're looking at a pre-owned 2017 Nissan Pathfinder SL. It's in like new condition and it is a local trade with a clean Carfax and about 9,200 miles. External features include roof rack, tow package, and alloy wheels. Now as we take a look inside, we see that it has a dual moonroof assembly and a charcoal leather interior with heated front bucket seats and then bench seats for the second and third rows to accommodate 7 passengers total. Now, as we take a look up front, we see that it has a Bose premium audio system, but it also has a long list of electronics and convenience and safety items as well. In addition to that great sound system, it has SiriusXM radio, plus it has Bluetooth for use with your cell phone as well. Other features include push-button start and remote start, not to mention steering wheel mounted audio controls, plus it has backup camera, GPS navigation, and more. All you need to do now is give us a call at 615-224-8314 today, and we'll set up a time for your test drive. We look forward to seeing you here at Nissan of Cool Springs. After all, we are the home of the lifetime warranty. And as always, don't forget to tell them that Hubie sent you. Nissan of Cool Springs is proud to announce an easier way to get financing for your next vehicle purchase. Just text the word COOL to 96300 and get pre-approved today.